I've lost 16 kilos since coming to MPH, 5.5% body fat and 17 centimetres around my navel. Hi, my name is Kathy. I've been at MPH for about 8-9 months. I've lost 16 kilos since coming to MPH, 5.5% body fat and 17 centimetres around my navel. I had this idea that as you get older, especially women, you're just going to carry the weight. That's a normal thing and it's just going to be so hard to shift that weight. I've been training with Taylor. Taylor's been fantastic in getting me to where I am today. She motivates me, she supports me. She knows how to challenge me, and she's also put me on my own personalised nutrition plan. I would recommend MPH definitely. Atmosphere here is pretty motivating. The trainers are very welcoming, supportive, and genuinely care about achieving your goals, genuinely invested in supporting you achieve your goals. I originally came to MPH wanting to build my strength, had no energy at all, I had no confidence, but since coming to MPH, my confidence has just grown so much. Feeling a lot more confident going out when I go out for a meal. I'm confident in choosing the healthier options without feeling like I'm missing out. I'm feeling a lot stronger, not just physically and mentally as well. So it's a lot more easier to stay consistent. It all fits into my lifestyle, so it makes it a lot more easier.